walking through the trails of the park, seeing the beauty of nature. The sun is out. The sun is dropping down. UV lighting, melanin enhancement for black people. What is it called? Vitamin D. Some put it in vitamins or capsules, but this is the most natural way possible that you get your healing from the universe, from the sun. You know, lift your spirits up, warm your body. You're a warm-blooded individual. I think that's why it's a good idea that we should be eating warm or hot food because we're warm-blooded. I don't see no reason why we should be eating cold food. But we had a sister recently named Sister Pamela Brown. I believe she was pregnant. Recently killed by law enforcement in the great state of Texas.